తమిళనాడులోని కన్యాకుమారిలో వివేకానంద ట్రస్ట్ సహకారంతో ఇక మీదట పెద్ద ఎత్తున ధార్మిక కార్యక్రమాల నిర్వహణకు చర్యలు తీసుకుంటామని టీటీడీ చైర్మన్ వైవి సుబ్బారెడ్డి అన్నారు. బుధవారం కన్యాకుమారిలోని శ్రీవారి ఆలయం ద్వితీయ వార్షికోత్సవంలో వైవి దంపతులు పాల్గొన్నారు. అర్చకులు శాస్త్రోక్తంగా పుణ్యాహవచనం, ఇతర వైదిక క్రతువులు నిర్వహించారు. అనంతరం వైవి సుబ్బారెడ్డి మాట్లాడుతూ కోవిడ్ కారణంగా కన్యాకుమారిలో ధార్మిక కార్యక్రమాలకు అవరోధం ఏర్పడిందన్నారు. వివేకానంద ట్రస్ట్ టీటీడీకి చట్టపరంగా భూమి అప్పగిస్తే కళ్యాణ మండపం నిర్మాణం ప్రారంభిస్తామని ఆయన చెప్పారు. భక్తుల కోరిక మేరకు కన్యాకుమారి ఆలయం ఆవరణంలో గురుడాల్వార్ విగ్రహం ఏర్పాటు చేసే విషయం ఆగమ పండితులతో మాట్లాడి రానున్న బోర్డు సమావేశంలో చర్చించి నిర్ణయం తీసుకుంటామన్నారు. కరోనా వ్యాక్సిన్ ప్రక్రియ ముగిశాక తిరుమలకు గతంలో సాధారణ రోజుల్లో ఎంత సంఖ్యలో భక్తులను అనుమతించేవారో ఆ సంఖ్యను పెంచుతామని చైర్మన్ తెలిపారు. ఆలయానికి రోడ్డు నిర్మాణం కూడా చేపడతామని తెలిపారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో టీటీడీ పాలక మండలి సభ్యులు శేఖర్ రెడ్డి, డాక్టర్ నిశ్చిత అధికారులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
ఓం నమో వెంకటేశాయ. Today we have completed 2 years. We have built our Lord Balaji Venkateswara Swami temple in Kanyakumari. Last year also we have performed first anniversary, Modati first anniversary. This year we have just now we have completed second anniversary, Varshabhishekam. And also we, along with Vivekananda Kendra, we want to develop some other activity which are concerned to Ajnatvika Karikramas. That is as part of Dharma Pracharam, Hindu Dharma Pracharam. We have decided to take it forward. Last year itself we have decided to take it forward. Due to pandemic conditions we could not take it up. All of you know that, Corona. Now things are getting better. Slowly vaccination will be completed. So that we have decided now at least from next 1 or 2 months onwards we will take it forward. Especially we have decided to develop this temple also in a big way. As part of development of this temple additional, we want to have most of the devotees, they have requested to have the Garuda Alvaru, big Garuda Alvaru like what we have in Tirumala.
30 feet more.
That we will decide according to our Agama Shastra Pandits. Once we decide with Agama Pandits, then we will inform you. But basically, we have to pass in our board. We will take it up in our next board meeting and we will start that one. And one more thing, from the main road coming to this temple, we have decided to have one more big arch at main road, so that people total entrance. At least devotees, local people, they will know anyhow, because pilgrims and devotees who are coming from other states and other places, they should know that Balaji temple is there, so that they will come and visit and pray. That of course our LIC members
that
will
also we will decide, sir. Actually last time we decided the same thing.
No, because of pandemic conditions we are not able to do. That you can do immediately. No, that I will tell one by one. And as I told you, as part of our Hindu Dharma Prachar Parishad in Tamil Nadu, since we have our own temple here, TTD, we want to start our operations and we want to have Dharma Prachar Parishad Information Center in Kanyakumari. That also in collaboration, in parting with Vivekananda Kendra. That means we will donate one bus to go into rural villages and do bhajans and do Dharma Pracharam, in which we will have TV shows about Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana and some bhajans. Similarly, we have also received a representation from Vivekananda Kendra people to develop the nearby villages. There are some temples. That also will work out.
When are you going to start the
Which one? No, near future, once the things gets normal, that means this COVID conditions are prevailing still. I hope so by March, April, things will become normal. Then we will start our operations.
That is one upper plan.
What is that? What plan? No, that's what I'm telling. Once normal conditions come, then we will start. Yeah. Dharma Prachar Parishad, there is no planning is required. We are already doing that job in Tirumala. Now we want to extend that to Tamil Nadu from Kanyakumari.
Go Mother.
I will tell.
Per day, how much people you have to offer the Dharma?
That we will go as per the local authorities.
Is there any restrictions or only?
No.
fixed,
We will, wherever devotees are there, wherever they can't come and have darshan of Balaji here, we will go into that villages and we will display our Lord Balaji ideal there, and we will start giving some lectures about Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and this thing. This is got Prachar Radha. That we will start.
ஒரு ஆன்மீக ரதம் மாதிரி ஆன்மீக ரதம்
ஆன்மீக
And
ரதம்
as a national program, we have taken up many programs on behalf of TTD.
இல்லை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணல
As part of Dharma Prachar Parishad, TTD has taken up many programs all over India. Recently, we have launched a very good program called Gudko Gomata. That means cow,
ஒரு கோயிலுக்கு ஒரு பசு
கோயிலுக்கு ஒரு பஸ்
cow for every temple.
இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாச்சு.
We have started this program in Kartika Masam all over the India. We want to launch this program all over India. Not one state, not two states. All over India. We want to start. We have already started in Andhra Pradesh and in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu very soon we are going to start. In Delhi state also we have started.
ஆகும் அட்வைசர்ஸ் டேட்
You can ask all your doubts later. Don't disturb in between, please, sir.
முடிச்சிட்டோம்.
So once in Delhi also we have launched this program. In other states also slowly we want to launch this program. That is Gudko Gomata. That means in every temple, whoever is coming forward at the temple owned by endowment department or private management or private trust, if they come forward, TTD will give cow and calf free of cost. And only assurance we are expecting from the temple management is they should take care of proper feed and everything for the cow and calf, and they should also perform puja every day in the temple, and they should have a place to hold the cow and calf in a place in the temple, so that devotees who are visiting the temple, they can also pray and feed her. That is the main thing, because we believe that praying cow is praying like parents, praying Mukoti Devatalu. That's what we believe. That's why you want to take this concept all over India, and it will also help to increase our animal husbandry, this thing, milk production and everything. Whatever is required for the temples also, they can have their own milk for Abhishekam and everything from that, this thing.
Only government HRC department temple or private temple also?
I have already told you, department temples are the temples owned by private trust.
Private also.
That is the reason I told you can ask your rights later. Don't in between this. And as another program we are going to also take up as part of Dharma Prachar Parishad, we are going to conduct Kalyana Mastu program. That means we will conduct once in a year to twice in a year. Whenever we have auspicious days, we will go for mass marriages. Both in Andhra and Telangana we are planning. In Tamil Nadu also.
Free of cost.
Free of cost. Not only free of cost, we will give Mangal Sutra and new clothes for bridegroom and bride.
Gold.
Mangal Sutra of gold.
தங்க மங்கலம் தங்க
And we will also allow them to bring five guests from bride, 5 guests from bridegroom.
5 பேர் பொண்ணு சைடுல 5 பேர்
So in Andhra Pradesh,
தர்ஷனத்துக்கு.
in Andhra Pradesh, you want to conduct in every district once the auspicious day starts, because as of our panchayati, Panchangam, auspicious days are not available immediately. So we are planning to have that also from April onwards.
Sir, do you have to
Here, it all depends upon the devotees, this thing.
கல்யாணம் கட்டணும்.
But devotees are demanding, Laddu Poti is there already. They are preparing laddu put here. Yeah?
మన వాళ్ళతో ఆడించడానికి కావాలి
ఆంధ్రాలో ఇచ్చినట్టుగా ఇక్కడ లడ్డు ఉంటుందా?
Free.
ఫ్రీ కాదు మన 50 రూపీస్ దండు మనం ఇప్పుడు చెన్నై పంపిస్తాం కదా నెలకు
No, that free laddu system you have only in TTD. No other temples you don't have. Follow them. That because let us maintain that sanctity there only. Whoever, that is our main temple. They will have that blessing along with prasad. In all the places we can't have that facility. And one more request has come from devotees from here, and our LIC members, our board members, Mr. Shekhar Reddy and Dr. Nichila and other LIC members, along with Vivekananda Kendra, they have requested us to start Kalyan Mandapam also here immediately, for which we have requested Vivekananda Kendra authorities to hand over the land as early as possible, officially and legally, legitimately, so that we will be able to start work to build Kalyan Mandapam very soon. Once the land transfer is finished, we will also start Kalyan Mandapam to facilitate pilgrims to conduct some devotional programs and to go perform marriages, those who are interested, like that.
ஆமாம் அவங்க டொனேட் பண்ணுறாங்க 2 ஏக்கரா அதில் கல்யாணம் பண்ணுறது தேவஸ்தானம் கட்டுது அதான் சேர்மன் சொன்னார். எஸ்டிமேட் பற்றி பிரச்சனை இல்லை. 2 ஏக்கரா கட்டுறாங்கன்னா அதில் வந்து இன்ஜினியரிங் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டு உங்களுக்கு எஸ்டிமேட் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஒரு நம்ம 2000 பேர் 3000 பேர் தாங்க வந்து போகிற மாதிரி கல்யாணம் பண்ணுவோம். இந்த 2 ஏக்கராவில் அதான் சேர்மன் சொன்னார். அவங்க லேண்டை நமக்கு டோனர் கொடுத்து டோனர்
ஃபார்மாலிட்டி கம்ப்ளீட் அப்புறம்
அது பிறகு நம்ம கஷ்டம்.
இங்கே ஒன்றுமே
அதான் கொடிமரத்தை தான் இப்போ சேர்மன் பார்த்துட்டு தங்கமூலம் ஆப்போசிட் எஸ்டிமேட் போட சொன்னார். இப்போ தான்
திருமலை திருப்பதி தேவஸ்தானத்தில் போட்டி எவ்வளோ பீப்புள் வந்து
now we are allowing after this lockdown is relaxed from June 8th, we have started with 5,000 people. But that's all.
முதல்ல
Started 5,000. Now we have reached, after almost 8 months, 9 months, we have reached almost 40,000.
இப்போ
By even this 40,000, we are following all norms of using of sanitizers, wearing of masks and social distance. By following all the conditions, we are allowing devotees to have darshan about 40,000 plus as of now. Let us see if vaccination is completed. In normal course, we used to provide darshan for almost 75 to 80,000 people. Especially if it during Saturdays, Sundays, it is close to 1 lakh. Now that facility is not there because of the pandemic period.
For the past few months, there was one allegation. The people, the VIPs, those who are coming from Tamil Nadu, they will not give the adequate response from the Devasthanam.
No. We will give top priority to Tamil Nadu devotees.
தமிழ்நாட்டிலேருந்து ஆக்சுவலி இப்போ ஆந்திரா சிஎம் தமிழ்நாட்டில் இந்த முறை 5 பேருக்கு போடுவோம் கொடுத்துருக்காரு. இது வரைக்கும் லிஸ்டிலே கிடையாது.
அது வந்து எலிகேஷன் தான்.
No. Especially we all appreciate the devotional activities Tamilians take place, and especially as our Balaji is concerned. Almost close to 50% devotees come from Tamil Nadu.
தமிழ்நாடு
That's why we give top priority to them. They will not 100%. They will not have any problem. Maybe 1 or 2 times there may be some stampage because of what is that month?
புரட்டாசி
During Protasi, because of your Tamilian groups only coming in big way, because of the pandemic period, we are controlling them. There some problem has come during about 2 months back. You will explain.
300 ரூபாய் டிக்கெட்டு இருந்தால் தான் மேலே அனுப்புவாங்க. நம்ம எல்லாம் புரட்டாசியில் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, டிக்கெட் எல்லாம் நடந்து வந்துடுறாங்க. மலை அடிவாரத்தில் வந்து 1000-2000 பேர் சேர்ந்துடுறாங்க. அவங்கள அனுப்பலைன்னா எங்களுக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டிலேருந்து வந்து நம்ம தரிசனம் கொடுக்கலான்றாங்க. அது அவங்க தெரியாமல் வந்துடுறாங்க. அது ப்ராப்ளம் ஆச்சு. டிக்கெட் இருந்தால் தான் மேலே அனுப்ப முடியும். ஏன்னா அங்கே வந்து ஒரு நாள் இவ்வளோ பேர் தான் டிசைட் ஆகிடுறாங்க. டிக்கெட் இல்லாத மேலே அனுப்பிச்சா அங்கே 10,000-20,000 சேர்ந்துருவாங்க. திரும்பி கூட்டம் கூட்டிடுல.
Only thing is, in normal course, no problem. Whether it is Puratasi Masam or whatever Masam, we will allow any number. Because they are controlling, only online booking. We are allowing.
மட்டும் தான் மேலே போகிறாங்க.
Whoever comes after booking, or if at all they don't have facility to book online booking, they can come to Tirupati, and they can book there. Even from Tamil Nadu, devotees from Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, they are doing same thing, even Andhra. Once the normalcy comes, we will allow everybody. Okay?
How many devotees are coming?
This side will be.
Last 2 years.
இந்த டெம்பிளுக்கா இந்த டெம்பிள்
ఎవరమ్మా
ఈవినింగ్ ఇవ్వరు లోకల్ ఎవరిని కేకడం ಇಲ್ಲ இந்த సాయి அவருக்கு లోకల్
குமரகுரியா
he has donated a land in Kalwa
உளுதுர்பேட்
Uludurpet he hails from that place I believe he has donated land not only land he has donated the amount also so very soon you are going to build the Balaji temple in
உளுதுர்பேட்
Uludurpet
விழுப்புரம் மாவட்டம் இப்போ கள்ளக்குறிச்சி மாவட்டம் ஆயிடுச்சு அதில் வந்து தேவஸ்தானம் தேவஸ்தானத்து தான் சென்னை கன்னியாகுமரி தான் இப்போ இருக்கிறது இப்போ மூணாவது வந்து வெள்ளூரில் ஒன்று இருக்குது அது சின்ன டெம்பிள் தான் இப்போ முகுந்தூர்பேட்டை இதில் சாரி
Uludurpet
உளுதுர்பேட்டை கள்ளக்குறிச்சி
Kumar Guru board member he is MLA and board member
அவரும் இன்னும் 2 பேர் சேர்ந்து ஒரு 4-5 ஏக்கர் டொனேட் பண்ணாங்க அதில் தேவஸ்தானம் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் பண்ணுறாங்க அதுக்கு கூட அவங்களே டொனேட் பண்ணி பணத்தை கொடுத்துட்றாங்க தேவஸ்தானம் கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க பட் தேவஸ்தானம் கோயில் தான்
it is only
எல்லாமே தேவஸ்தானம்
பிரம்மோற்சவம் எப்போ நடக்கும்
ரெகுலர் பிரம்மோற்சவம்